Nehemiah rebuilds the wall, a city restored. Moonlight reveals shattered gates as Nehemiah surveys the broken wall in silence. He descends toward the valley, passing two wary patrol soldiers by a smoking torch. Nehemiah kneels to trace a crack, counting breaches along the battered wall line. Two soldiers watch from the shadows as Nehemiah passes through a narrow breach. At dawn's edge, he summons the elders atop a half-collapsed tower to declare his vision. Morning light floods the work line as families pass stones in steady rhythm. At the sheep gate, Eliashib guides masons setting fresh beams that gleam with new grain. Two archers on a scaffold watch, distant riders, eyes narrowed against the glare. Nehemiah and Hananiah brace a breach, demonstrating how to bed a course with mortar. Taunts drift from the hills. A messenger runs in as workers tighten belts and push on. Golden light crowns the completed wall, gates hung straight and true across the city. Two children race the inner path, palms brushing the cool masonry with delight. Elders lift their faces, eyes wet, as a trumpet rings clear over the rooftops. Nehemiah raises the parchment and declares the people's resolve as cheers build. The camera lifts over the glowing circuit as evening deepens and stars kindle above.